How's it going, everyone? Dear Girl here. Just letting y'all know, unfortunately, Friday's episode did not get finished in time. I'm sorry, I'm still working on it. Or rather, today's episode of Nier Automata, I'm still working on it. So I'm afraid there will be no video for today. I'll get, depending on what Saturday brings, I might, I should have the week's videos. We should be all caught up with Dragon Fable. So, yeah, it'll be, I think it'll be business as usual next week. Thank you all so much for watching. Take care of each other. God bless you all. And I'll see y'all later.